Remove the battery cradle. Disconnect the wires. Set it aside. Disconnect the brake disconnect line. Throttle. And back here you have pass sensor cable. On the other side of the bike, disconnect motor harness, unhook it, and you're going to remove the 4 Allen screws that hold the controller in, and simply pull it out. Take the new controller. I like to put the Allen screw in the wrench to guide it. Set it in the controller and line it up with the holes. Get it started. I use the wrench for leverage to make sure the Allens are tight. Then you can start locating the cables. Take the motor cable, slip it through the hole in the bottom. Find your yellow pass cable, match it up with your yellow pass line. Simply snap them together. Tuck that one nicely in that corner right there. Take your red brake disconnects, black throttle. This one here would be for your LCD display. If you're not running the display, you must have this piece plugged in because it's got a jumper wire in there to make sure your controller turns on. Take all the wires again, tuck them in behind. Loop them down nicely inside here. Route the cable underneath the frame. Attach it to the loops on the frame. On here there is an arrow indicating alignment and a matching arrow line those two up and push them together. You'll notice how close they'll get. There's like a little line right there saying that you got to push it all together. Take the slack out and that will go back inside the box. Reinstall the battery holder and put the battery back in and you're complete. And you're done.